Bing bing bam dam dam bam 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 bam.
I'm gonna show this.
Hey you.
What? Who? Me?
Yeah, you.
What do you want?
Put this little bag in the dustbin.
Never.
Or else.
Or else what? Now, some tips on making throwing litter in the dustbin fun is to play it like basketball. Now, you boy, stand back at the distance from the dustbin. And yeah, you. And then you try to shoot it inside the dustbin. Fail. Fail.
If you don't reuse or recycle, reduce or reuse, this tree will die. Whatever you do, don't litter like this guy.
Now, throwing a litter into the dustbin is not hard. You just walk to the dustbin, which is about a few meters away, and slide the bottle in. Slide it down. And let go of it. Let it go. Let it go. Instead of using one side of the paper, you should use both sides of the paper so that it will save more trees and paper. Let's go.
Bing bing bam dam dam bam 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 bam.
What's going